Good morning and namaste. Respected parents, teachers, and my beloved students, I wish you all a very happy, healthy, and prosperous New Year 2021. I wish this year brings you more strength and dedication to achieve your goals with your matchless commitment and sincerity. Happy year ahead. Thank you all.
Hi Grishmita.
Hello Nitya, it's been so long since we spoke.
Yes, it did. But how's your year been?
Actually, too boring. We had to stay home the entire year. Even on New Year, can't we go out?
Yeah, true, we can't. But don't worry, here we have a school celebrating New Year virtually. So, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait anymore. Shall we start the celebrations?
Yeah, surely we will. Here we have few of our friends wishing us in different languages.
దోస్తులు నేను మీ అందరి ముంగటికి ఒక మాట చెప్పనీకి వచ్చిన గదేందంటే అందరికీ నూతన సంవత్సర శుభాకాంక్షలు. గడిచిన కాలం మన పానానికి ఎంతో బాధ తీసుకొచ్చింది. గందుకే ఈ వచ్చే కాలమైనా మన జీవితాల్లో వెలుగును తీసుకురావాలని చెప్పి నా మనసు పూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నా. ధన్యవాదములు.
जेजी नंदन आपने 9वां साल की शुभकामनाएं।
নমস্কার, আমার নাম অ্যাঞ্জেল দাশগুপ্ত। আমি ক্লাস 6 লোটাসে পড়ি। সবাইকে জানাই শুভ নববর্ষের প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা। নতুন বছর 2021 সবার ভালো কাটুক। হ্যাপি নিউ ইয়ার।
എല്ലാവർക്കും പുതുവത്സരാശംസകൾ.
राम राम मंडळी, आय एम अभिजित फ्रॉम क्लास 8 मॅरीगोल्ड. माझ्या गुरूंना व माझ्या सर्व मित्रांना माझ्याकडून नववर्षाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. या वर्षी माझी देवाकडे हीच प्रार्थना की तुम्ही सर्व स्वस्थ, सुरक्षित, सुखी राहावे. धन्यवाद.
जय श्री कृष्णा. सर्वेने मारा नूतन वर्षना अभिनंदन.
आप साऱ्यांना नए वर्ष की लख लख बधाइयाँ.
नूतन वर्षाभिनंदन. इतर दिवस संसार खान असतो हाही दिवस तसाच उगवतो आणि तसाच मावळतो, तरीही त्यावर असतो नव्या नवतीच्या तजेला. या दिवशी उगवणारा सूरज उठून येतो आशेच्या नव्या किरणांच्या नजरानं. त्यावर असते नवीन वर्षाची नमाणी आणि सोनेरी स्वप्नांची झळाणी. म्हणूनच इतर दिवस संसार खाच नसतो हा दिवस. तो असतो नव्या वर्षाचा आरंभ, नव्या स्वप्नांचा प्रारंभ. हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
By our friends.
Now we have Rupkatha from class 10th Jasmine with a poem.
सभी को मैं रूपकथा और आज मैं कविता बोलने जा रही हूँ. कविता का नाम है होना इस तरह कभी. और पर उससे पहले मैं सभी को न्यू ईयर की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगी और यही कामना करते हुए कि आने वाला साल सबका अच्छा गुजरे. होना इस तरह कभी, आने वाला कल होना इस साल की तरह कभी, आने वाला भविष्य होना इस समय की तरह कभी, आने वाला साल हो एक उज्जवल भविष्य की तरह, आने वाला साल हो एक उज्जवल भविष्य की तरह. सहन करते करते थक गए हैं हम, सहन करते करते थक गए हैं हम. अब ना सहना हमें, अब ना रुकना हमें, अब ना डरना हमें, बस आगे बढ़ना हमें. ये साल तो बीत गया हमारे मन में डर पैदा करके, ये साल तो बीत गया हमारे मन में डर पैदा करके. अब सिर्फ एक ही विनती है, आने वाला साल होना इस तरह कभी, आने वाला साल होना इस तरह कभी. आने वाला साल हो इस तरह कि वापस मिल जाए सब एक साथ. आने वाला साल हो इस तरह कि सब भूल जाए डर भी था कभी. सिर्फ एक ही विनती है आपसे, आने वाला साल कभी ना हो इस तरह. आने वाला साल हो एक उज्जवल भविष्य की तरह, आने वाला साल हो प्रबोधन की तरह। धन्यवाद।
Really, the poem was amazing. Nitya, don't you think that we are missing something in the celebrations?
Like what?
It's dance.
Oh, come on. We still have many more events. So, but as you asked for dance, here we have Chavi from class 10 with a dance performance.
कैटवॉक वाली बेबी है तेरी चाल बैकलेस सूट विच लगदी कमाल ओ किथे चली जांदी है ओ किथे चली जांदी है ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ ਸਵਾਲ ਉਹ ਦੱਸ ਦੇ ਕੁਵਾਰੀਆਂ ਆ ਕਿਸ ਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਉਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਜਾਨੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਨ ਕੱਢ ਜਾਨੀ ਹੈ ਇਹਨੇ ਵੀ ਨਖਰੇ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਨਾ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਇਹਨੇ ਵੀ ਨਖਰੇ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਨਾ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਦਿਲ ਮੇਰਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਧੜਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਮੇਰੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਅੱਜ ਫਿਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਅੱਜ ਫਿਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਚੱਲਣੀ ਹੈ ਮੋਰਨੀ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਅੱਜ ਫਿਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਚੱਲਣੀ ਹੈ ਮੋਰਨੀ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਸੰਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਸੈਟਰਡੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਵੇਟ ਤੇਰੀ ਖੱਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਫਿਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਚੱਲਣੀ ਹੈ ਮੋਰਨੀ ਬਣ ਕੇ
No one can go back in time and change what has happened. So work on your present to make yourself a wonderful future. Wishing you a very happy new year to all.
Really, her dance moves were outstanding. We are in this situation because of the pandemic. It's been affecting our lifestyles. But don't you think we have some advantages of this pandemic?
Of course we do. We could spend a lot of quality time with our family, like more than about 2 months, and even the pollution levels in the air has decreased, due to which the ozone layer has recovered. Now we have Aishani from 10th Marigold with some information about this pandemic.
Hello all. With 2020 almost coming to an end, we have a lot of complaints regarding this year swarming us on social media. It's easy to lose your hopes over the negative aspects of any event, especially when we're battling a global pandemic as a community. For every low, there's a high, and even this current scenario has a silver lining to it. With the outbreak of the coronavirus, nature started to reset globally. The Earth's ozone layer is recovering, and the air quality is improving. Statistics even state that the crime rate has gone down. Lifestyle changes have been made for the better. This pandemic has assisted us in learning new things and helped us explore our potentials. With this in mind, we have entered a world full of possibilities. Families got the chance to spend quality time together, and hygiene has been embedded in everyone's routine for survival. Local products and small-scale businesses are being promoted, and they're making it big with the help of technology. Many communication technologies have been developed, and this also helps us welcome the new life after the pandemic with a lot to offer. I guess this convinces us to look at things with an optimistic approach that also proves that perspective can change everything and or anything. So let's bid farewell to 2020 and welcome 2021.
Great information shared by Aishani. Shouldn't we have a melodious song in the celebrations?
Yes, we do. Let's present Saras Chandrika from 8th Marigold with a melodious song.
I'm going to sing a song on New Year. Hullala, 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 la. Hullala, 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 la. కమ్మని కలలకు ఆహ్వానం చక్కని చెలిమికి శ్రీకారం పలికిన పాటకి నా ప్రాణం అంకితం అన్నది నా హృదయం హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్ హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్ పులకించిన కాలపు వడిలో హురవిప్పినదో స్వర పుష్పం చిరునవ్వుల వీణలు మీటి వినిపించినదో నవరాగం హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్ హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్ కమ్మని కలలకు ఆహ్వానం చక్కని జైమికి శ్రీకారం పలికిన పాటకి నా ప్రాణం అంకితం అన్నది నా హృదయం హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్ హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్ థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Such a melodious song. Nitya, do you like 2019 or 2020?
Obviously 2019. I remember all those days we had fun meeting each other every single day. I miss all those days a lot.
Me too. So, shall we compare the situations of 2019 and 2020?
Interesting. Let's do it.
Suhani Mallar and Disha Jain from 10 Jasmine are here with a skit
This is Suhani of grade 10. This is Disha Jain of grade 10. And we are here to entertain you, and we shall do that by comparing 2019 and 2020. So let's begin. You're watching 2019 versus 2020.
Students, I'm going to come and check your classworks. First answer me. What is a square minus b square?
May I, teacher?
Yes, Disha.
So, teacher, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b.
That's right, Disha. A square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. So now, children, let me check your classworks.
Okay, so students, who will tell me what is sine theta by cos theta? Answer me. Disha, what are you doing? Are you playing in my class? God, this girl. Okay, come on, Disha, tell me what is sine theta by cos theta. Switch on your video.
Yes, teacher.
Answer my question, Disha.
Teacher, what was the question? Can you repeat the question?
My question was, what is sine theta by cos theta?
Teacher, can you explain the topic once again? Actually, I have not understood the topic. So, can you explain the topic once again?
Bye, Ma. I'm leaving for office. I'll see you later. Hello? Can you mail me that, please? I need it urgently. Thank you.
मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़िया देना बहुत स्वीट है मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़िया देना बहुत स्वीट है ढोंगी सा ये बड़ा डीट है वायरल हो गया ये ट्वीट पर फूल फूल करने में फूल तुम बड़ी तेज कटारी है शगन तेरी की लगन तेरी की हमने कर की तैयारी है नचने ने सारे रंग मिल के आज हिले डुल के ले सारे नजारे नचने ने सारे रंग मिल के आज हिले डुल के ले सारे नजारे गजबानों का
Happy, happy new year. Another reason to rejoice is here. 52 weeks to make your heart sing and see what 4 new seasons will bring. Happy, happy new year. Toss out bad memories by their ear. Gather up new ones in a bouquet. Bring out the old, bring in a new day. Happy, happy new year. A resolution now we will hear. If we could all run toward the light, so many wrongs could be put right. Happy, happy new year. Let's not forget about the things that we're so lucky to have in our lives. Our sons and daughters, husbands and wives. Happy, happy new year. Let there be summer, let there not be fear. The clouds will pass over our heads, and let the sun shine on us instead. Happy, happy new year. Another opportunity is here to just believe in what we can be and see our dreams become reality. Happy, happy new year. Another opportunity is here to just believe in what we can be and see our dreams become reality. To just believe in what we can be and see our dreams become reality. Happy, happy new year. కమ్మని కలలకు ఆహ్వానం, చక్కని చెలిమికి శ్రీకారం, పలికిన పాటకి నా ప్రాణం అంకితం అన్నది నా హృదయం. హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్, హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్. పులకించిన కాలపు వడిలో పురి విప్పినదో స్వర పుష్పం, చిరునవ్వుల వెన్నెల మీటి వినిపించినదో నవరాగం. హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్, హ్యాపీ న్యూ.
What you feel when your feet hit the pavement? Keep on reaching, hold on to what you believe in. Don't gotta learn what they're teaching, no, no, don't believe what they're preaching. Remember the meaning, this old folk song we be singing. I'ma raise my arms high, I'ma touch the skyline, I'ma sing it
Now we have come to an end of our celebrations.
We would all like to thank Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Director Sir and all our teachers for giving this great opportunity of celebrating New Year virtually.
May you have a great year ahead and we wish
Very
you
happy
all
New
a very
Year.
happy New Year.
So we have come to the end of the video and we hope that you have enjoyed it.
Don't forget to wear a mask,
Use sanitizer
and practice social distancing. Hoping that the coming year 2021 be full of joy, happiness and prosperity for all of us.
and praying for a pandemic-free year and
And
wishing you a very, very, very happy New Year 2021. Stay safe,